September 27th at 8:23 p.m.
Well, Mafia, I'm tell you this, man. See? You have a friend them sitting on a chat bad man. You never know who is bad man. A Mafia thing me say, you know. You're an artist, you know. You're my friend. I'm a beat artist, but my friend me kill them. Now what you say? My friend that betray me, dead. Try with that bomb buckler. So just be careful where you walk and how you talk and how you live.
Yes. Yes.
Share back to Facebook, copy and paste it to Facebook.
King Jamin.
I do a song when you
Trace it
love
up.
me nine, love me special and king.
Yes.
Most of all, me love
Invite
me
some people, share it back, Trace.
So tell the people them where the name back then, because probably some people were more familiar if you tell them where the name.
Gringo Rank in my name. Then my name Gringo Ranks. Then my call name Gringo. Because when I do a Gatlin song, after that now I go start voice for Junior Reid and do a true name hardcore, nothing less, nothing more. On the Pepper Seed remix, let me do a true name. I'm falling. Head over in the love with you, my darling. Every time you pass me by, you got me calling. Ball blood for your body, cause you chant for weep out. From the card where
Mishka, share about the thing. Please, somebody ask Mishka and tell her to share the thing.
And then Len put me on Sting 94. I'm run out on Sting now. My counteract the man song. The man have a song when he slam. I'm going to go up there and say, see my back down to pat scraping. One set of girl, no more you give the ratings. You ever stop the right up town, girl in our things. You don't forget the feelings. Me I tell you no say slam. Bam, thank you madam. I lift up a piece of jam right. And then Dennis Howard going up for me next year. And voice the song now. And then the song start run on the radio. Sign a me the song. And then when the song is a number one that's there on my yard. Sleep and look at Anthony Miller and wake me up and I say, yo, you have to go lip sync the song guys, they are number 3 and they are number 1 by next week. And
yes.
I'm surprised. I say, me guy TV station, I walk up and I look for me. When I look star, I call me one interview. Because from in the music, I never have no manager, nobody will buy out no music for me, no brother. I just do music, I just go whoever DJ for people them now. And when we done DJ, the people them love with, and the people them rate with, and through that now, we just do it in. So, we get a whole lot of fight in the game still, because it's from that counter artists ever fight against me.
Yes.
Because when I'm born to kill them run a jamming and whole away and beanie, whole away a friend from a little youth here. And then born to kill now do a song named Cellular Phone.
Yes, remember that. Excuse me, pass cellular phone.
The cellular bill.
Yes.
Run up for your cellular bill. Bad man in your house and a chill. And every sound man start going look for me, because I look pretty trooper right up and down and look for me. And me used to beg trooper them to do freedom, you know. And then I take you know, and when me look at man and say, yo, if the trooper the man come and look for you. When I go over the man give me 25,000. And I say, yo, if you're tune them, I'm going to kill 4x4 just for it. And when we do it, a beer clash, the man them win with them tune them. Add this them. Don't try to trade, yo. And when we take a start now, the thing just take off and then it's like say, Mr. Len them mix me up with that ninja man something like that. Because they are foreign.
Yes.
When I reach America, I can't believe in my youth. See? And when I look me just reach America, I start sing me song them and the people them love me. And Mr. Len them put me on sting with ninja man dog. And so when I look at you them down, they never get to work dog because how the thing go. But don't know ninja man thing them different, you see me? Because ninja man are my idol between me and them the man that make me come at town, you know, because I'm a DJ like them man when I go.
Oh, it's a DJ like ninja
and them
man.
Them used to rate man. And when I come at town, like them put me to clash with them. And when you look, me come and sing and can we get to chat one lyric, because remember the ninja man said, the race bring up president and send mad cobra and beat and bunting and them murder them. And you look, the people have no business with me. After that, no, me I tell you, say, yo, them things that listen wicked in a brother. Because it's like, say, the full of lyrics I want to DJ, but show me young people, them now listen to me them time. You understand?
Yes, yes.
And then enough people start charging me and mouth me and I say, I'm done with the business. And you see, you think much up and I'm the whole it same way and I say, hey, nah, I done with it, you know, because you see me, I always hitch up on the thing, dog, and I try to do it. Till me end up I do a show with Fuji's, them and Farrell. So till me end up with a big smile, them a bomb, a big show me and big depend and place I run me down and I say, yo, what in this class ninja man? It's like me, I say, when them things they look like negative, some of them things they turn out not positive. Because more people I know me.
Yes.
And then I'm born to kill and now catch up over fully loaded.
So how that to go? How you am born to the end of catch up over fully?
Alright, born to kill a part baby stamina.
Yes.
The first show me do a part was me and born to kill.
Yes.
And when I look now, Bounty Killer, them with dep on it. Yo, you can't, but yo, you may say that, man.
Can send to the one.
Distraction that. See, you may say that, man. Yo, Bounty Killer dep on the show. And my temper. And I'm me a killer for everything.
Yes.
But when we go, we have to drive counteraction. I said, wow, run up to your cellular bill. Bad man in your house and a chill. Lord, you a chat to your girl and me a fuck fight and mash up the place.
Yeah, man.
I killer get vexed. I said, yo, the two swell black clock gringo. It's
Yeah.
my name Lucille. The for purpose planetary in Warwick.
Share the thing, copy and paste it to Facebook.
Girl want me cellular number.
Yeah.
Me make a million song there.
Yeah.
When the man do his song, I say, well, I get up, girl, man, I feel big. And me making do that.
Shanti 360 and Dan Mafia Live people talk about everything. Being a man, owning money, not paying any money. Talk about Bogle death where him know him did the right there with being a man right when everything I want. Come on people, come on. Copy the thing, paste it back on Facebook.
Yeah. How tired them and them time the people are some rich and red. Well, I roll rich, but I don't like say.
Now get interested.
I don't natural talent. If one stage show at it, you know
Yes.
the green go around up and bust that in at all.
Straight.
I'm going to go up and show them out. We say the wrong thing and the people don't agree with it and I will flap to.
Yeah. Why? Yeah.
We are come back with that.
And take it back.
When we go and fully loaded, you know.
Yes.
Baby Sham and Bounty apart. So Baby Sham they have a song we say. Anyway, money them out, go for. But
Yeah.
you know, Baby Sham, I'm a friend too. I don't really hate no DJ, no brother. We don't just make up song. Come out and make up my song. I might call an artist name, my man might get offended. But I don't know nothing personal because I just do that as drama. You understand?
Yeah, man, nothing
me say,
personal.
what that Baby Sham go utter. But anyway, money them I go for. That's why they switch I go turn back to fuck around part Mariah Carey and Usher. I want to say that now, the whole of what Clarence came in, you know, see it? But by the time I came in, you know, I'm say, big forward, no brother, that's not friend. I said, wait. When we look Bounty Ronan, I said, hey, yo, fully loaded, overloaded. Who's full black, him and blood clot, bring up. I start stirring up now.
Yes.
I remember say, yo, I mean one day, brother, I remember say, yo, we're not going to show no crow, I don't know about this thing. We just do music because we love music.
Love music.
I'm not on the show, you know.
Yeah.
I remember what I feel the vibes and Barry G. I said, Green, where you work? I
The
said,
great Barry G.
and by the time I look now, the man up there and this me up and by that time I said, I come back on war, him can hear them have counteraction with. But in my mind, I'm not afraid. You
Yeah.
see me? Because them know I'm not afraid that no DJ, so me stay from me liquor. But that man, I don't care where you be. Me run out to because I have lyrics. So when we run up there now, I say, oh, no, take him out of the stage, I will kill him, blow, hey, I will shoot him.
The killer.
Yeah, and get mad again, see?
Yeah.
So you don't know, say, the next day, when we touch the road, brother, I biggest headline that me and killer me to front page, I start. And everywhere we got people that talk about that.
Holy Lord, take it.
People might have said this, but me, man, at that time I work, I'm alive, I don't know what to do that. First I do something else, I make headline. So
Yeah.
when I look now, I'm bound to them green back car. I never hate Bounty. I'm bound to them when I keep malice.
Straight, big up the killer.
And see me and the only one I'm back to fruits and where I roll.
And they keep malice.
And I say, an elephant as a star. But people don't need a star car, yo, we don't say, well, I want my friend a star, see? And when I look then I keep back and show them real with it now.
Yes.
With Bounty and Sham.
Yes.
They say me go up store for the with it. So if they put Bounty and Sham on the show now, me I say, they don't let me know that it. And they feel something dead, you know. So if this something I bring us with and go over for Clarence, you know.
Yeah. They're gringo soon.
You see, brother, when I parent, I left the man left me over there and said, oh, we don't turn what do you know down, come down, what kind of thing them here? What is that? What is the comments of the man? I mean, I said, but me no business. Me no come with no crowd, me no come with no gun, me no come with war. I just go lyric, me come with DJ again. So you know, say, me end up go up on the stage and when they call me name, so Ratty from Third World Cup call me name.
Yeah.
Brother, I biggest boom ever here in my life, you know. And the man said, Gringo, you know.
Yeah.
Who will beach come and say, a Baby Sham fan and Bounty fan come up on the beach, you know.
Yeah.
And guess what? You see, boo, I walk out in I boo, you know.
Yeah.
I say, me put up my foot on the monitor box up, and then see, he Western boot with the sit and spin number. I pretty deep, not to again, I can be wrong, I tell you.
Oh, but please mash up.
See, I remember a Western thing when I DJ and say, Pussy, I go dead. And them see me be gone.
Yeah.
Who I get shot in and start give them lyrics now. No counteraction, so who will beach cave in, brother?
One beach.
Like the place shell. That's how we come out, Bounty and Sham boys. right there, he's stage and he like, man, I'm a pre-time, I say, oh, it's pussy, and easy still. Early them, every man, they backstage at the time, I say, yo, man, take this. That's a whole beach, brother.
Yeah.
I say, yo, you see next year, a big write up in a paper and thing.
Straight
And
again.
that guy, I see it, because I tell them, they take that boy, them, they give up on music, God. Told them about
See.
it, they feel like I lost on it.
See, that's why I can't give up people.
Right, there's a beanie calling me, you know. Backstage, you know. Come on, be a long time.
So how long you know Beanie? Make we get to that. People like and share people. Come on, we have done my friend at the house. How long you know Beanie, man?
Alright, I know Beanie from just come at on 1991. Beanie Man was the art that Rista Benjai at one. Beanie Man never busted, but Beanie Man hot. Now I talk.
Yes.
See? But Beanie Man, I'm going to go and live sometime around 6 months after Canada and go to around one bag of things.
So for a long time, Beanie Man boss.
No, but I say they have to live a life to live a real thing. Because Beanie, the man will go and I'll live till I will see Canada and the damn. He come back in a 2 velvet suit and rap. Many my DJ for explicit sound and every time they have Billy start up the explicit man, Lampile man.
Yeah.
They mash up like a dance them now.
History, like and share back on
DJ my
Facebook.
Gatlin song and take the piece I think was a youth.
Share back on Facebook, copy and paste for people.
Drum is sound truck as a country and whenever I really, I don't
man,
anything.
let me get some likes by YouTube. Let me get some thumbs up.
But
Yes.
turn go by
Give me
that
some
man
thumbs
rare,
up,
but
people.
different than I tell you.
Like the video.
From them time I know him until when he used to come back junior radio. All I was on that man go treat down. When he just about you know Miss Angela, Mr. Walker man there. We are friends here.
Yeah.
Right under 50 come up there, way up there. Then about
Digicel.
You understand?
People, no hold on there. Mafka other plan. Don't go nowhere. Just hold on there. 1 second. Just hold on there. No Digicel. We don't want to cut off this. Just hold on. Alright people, we're back, we're live with that mafia. Like and share, yes, we're live, we're back live. That's the father plan to the thing. To keep it. Yes.
Man was always my friend, Bounty Killer them.
Yes.
All of them. When we are looking out around at Grammy, we are beating them as a country plan Grammy sound truck. Bounty Killer, I'm we used to buy my lunch. Because when I run at Grammy, them not at it, you know.
Oh, them not
And
at it.
them just start come at studio, man. But after that, Bounty do is I said, them dip him and send him back from foreign with him one shot up some pan in fat and he start getting in the art and he got you want to boast him a big. And I talk about dope tell them go dope them mama.
Yes.
And I always tell them people that name Bounty Killer. Bounty on time was the name at first.
Ah, that's true.
But I'm a gate and a brand Waterhouse, man. I in front of Jam Studio, I'm living now. So I'm like say, in my heart, I have none of them DJ that have my enemies still now. But
yes.
you see as the business change now, you have some man who come down artists, you know. And then we all mash up the link and go like them and set you up against all the owner friend.
Yes.
I hope I stay clean now, because right now I'm not even yet none of them same way now. But the music I can't hold your own sometimes. Because you get in too deep, you know, brother. You see me?
Yes.
So when I try to tell you, after I start counteract them now, when I look at you, them go up on TV and them talk things about me and them call up me name man. I still not care because me man anything you say about me, I not care.
Yes.
So I'm not coming to music if you go watch what people say. I do music. So if 20,000 people don't like me, no business, because I need 50,000 what else still I go like me.
True.
I just do what I have to do, and my talent I have what God give me. So
True that.
I tell you it's a real loaded now, and there's a being man come find the backstage zone.
Okay.
I get interesting people. Copy and paste.
Yo, you got the booty when you get the quiet dog. I
Facebook.
come to the road now forward. I tell him to go take it.
Yes.
Him be the man, brother. Blue tell me say.
Me know Blue.
Blue tell me say. Alright, long after that, me and Blue are with and Blue say. Even I sure. Real loaded. Him run a back and I help me to one and say, where did I eat that? You know, say, I don't people. That's the man I say. Being here tell him say, Waterhouse boy, I have to watch him. And the man don't start take it. I been here tell him, see me tell you. I turn the boy around with him. And guess what now? And this will be the man come backstage now. And I tell him, say, yo, me and you prepare you too wicked and red. So that now, man.
So comes you and Beanie Man start par tight.
Yes, in tell well I'm not start parade. In the tell me that and I say yes, I agree, I'm not care, I'm going to business, I'm not remember.
Yes.
Then one next night, now I'm going to go up Exodus yard now. Up a father room.
Yes.
See him. See him? And when I see him now, whether they are DJs on it, I might set up a bag of thing and be a joke and brother them and drop down. I say, yo, where say no? Well, we're going to mash up around and cash up park. One stage there, one.
1 second there, Dan Mafia. People, you see that Dan Mafia live. A water time I drink. Alright, just a reminder, no? Like and share. A water time I drink, no alcohol involved. Alright.
So
Go ahead.
when we go to the stage road and cash up park now, we're on an ONZ place. And him being him on the on stage and he call up some other artists and them and say, yo, me I'm a special guest there. Gringo, come on.
Yes.
I'm gonna go up and I shell I be a gun lyrics and yo, all around the shoot up, man. Problem. And from that now, it's like that day, that night, them I say, yo, you see it? Me, you have to step in. See it? And then the next day, I'm there, and I see someone come and I say, yo, be in your price queue, and I say, if you come. And when I go up there, he's then saying, go on, I'm mother, and they are furnishing mother house down at Corville. I will go down there, right there, so we start rolling, we end up over and dance over La Rosa. Look what I got there. And by the time I don't reach a water house, when I'm baby mother Zaria, I'm gonna give him a song when he's straight prison, right? Whenever another.
So you give the man a song that when him straight prison?
Yeah, man, and he got the man say, yo, my voice, no. I'm going to go around a Christopher James that I jam his son.
Yes.
Pananam, 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 pananam. I read him there was things like the man said, get to the point, can't this Rasta man and I? And the man voice it, straight prison from the brother and I play all day in a red van. I'm going to go up at Exodus and go to some dub face.
So 1 second there, you write that song out?
Yeah.
History, that Mafia Live with Ashanti 360. People copy and paste it back to Facebook. Come on, copy and paste it back to Facebook. That Mafia Live with Ashanti 360. Classic interview. The world
I'm
I talk about it.
Remember that being the man, yeah? That Mafia Live.
Him write that song, yeah.
Yeah, man, your man, you
First
write
song he
that
write
song.
for
Continue, my
people.
brother.
After I write that now, you know, said I want to start playing on the radio everything. So being a man like, I tell you why I'm a rate being. Being a workaholic, you know. I say, me that mad when I do music, I have no time, I have no limit. I get the lazy, I can't work with you.
Yes.
So me and him a road, I have two hot skull, see? And it's like, if we reach our place, I want to read my place. Build a man, I build a song game same time and say, yo, you do that. Then me just build one to me tell you. So me I work alongside him, because I try to build my thing to, because he's my big man, you know. And he tell me, say, he might go build me, and he might go let me go in, I think, and he might go rate. So, this is saying rate me.
So how much other song, big song right for
Holy
you?
song, man, I the one when you watch it, hype, man. Man, I say, they might, watch it, hype. Until the day I die, more girl I want. I mean, me hear the girl, them a chant. You know, the girl, them girls in the tree, of the plant, and no jack, smoke, don't stand a chant. Girl, we black, girl, we white.
Are you right,
Girl, we flame, girl, we loose, and get, you know, Jeremy Hard in kitchen, me right, that man, chant, sit down there. And then me do it and say, them a talk about man apologize. They try to get me out, me work hard to achieve my goals in life. Me no clown, and the guy them put me where I am, and I give up me career for please no man I swear. I keep on playing music.
Wow.
I don't like how me talk. Fuck off, yo, God, I'm doing fuck off. Like me career when I was saying, I hold it more with that. Yo, me
Let me ask you about this song. Let me ask you about this one. Come here, say you right.
Yeah.
That song here with Beenie Man, when the thing go on with Bogle originally, and all the people say it's saving career, the song when name Frame.
One bagala, I'm right.
Are you right? That mean I correct me here.
How
all the people say it's saving Beenie Man career when the world turn against him.
That a shocking vibe one day, so when it's in the deepest hole in our life, when you know him out come out, Dan Mafia
You have to know history.
because save it, because
Yes.
this one now.
I mean, know that too.
You see, I mean, yeah, and the drama.
Tell me, say, I know the history on the music. Go ahead.
Yeah, and the drama go on, brother.
Yeah.
But Bogle thing, and I see it on the TV, and I see man John Iba do an interview. And them are step on the TV channel. Them, I'm a question named Jody from New York Times, and I say, yo, them are done your boy, you know, the whole New York go and kill him. And it's like everywhere I go, people are telling me, say, yo, the way I go on, yo, the man thing very, and I say, yo, when I watch the interview now, I never did it, I them say, yo.
Yes.
But I want to see every man, a mafia thing, you know. The lyrics, they want, you know. So I go on my bed with it on my mind, and they think about it, and I say, how would I say? See? Because, you see, I love challenges in the music, you know.
Yes.
Right now, I love one situation, I'm just fighting one song, you know. I still think about life, you know.
Yes.
Because nothing at all, I don't care about nothing. So if I go on stage, I have 100,000 people lick me down there. By tomorrow, I come back and prove more and prove back myself to you know, idiot. That's
Yes.
you know. I don't don't care what I say. So when me see my ball in on tonight, me I say, all them are talking, you know. I want to live with this, I need to live off back to something, you know.
Yes.
So with that mad head, the next man, no wake up now. I'm going to go downstairs, I'm still on the back of me, I'm going to book one pen, and I say, who's back, where am I going now? This is sitting about this now. I don't know, it's like me just remember the church song when my granny used to sing, I said, one talent have I to take to the sky while others are blessed. We can have the rest. Why should I complain from you to refrain? Oh never, not. I'm
Hear this song
right
there.
Them tell one bag a lion, I sell them some five, one confirm I but me know how dance I die. But I trust the most I the limit is the sky and I remember.
The man ever write that song, hey. Like and share, people. Send up the numbers, like and share. Like and share, people. See where it does come from there. It does tell you how that song get created. It does tell you how I get right in the Google thing after this, people. Share the thing. Send up the numbers, almost 200 with 180. Send up the numbers, people. Come on, everybody on the program, share the thing. We go get to the real thing. Send up the numbers, send up the numbers. I'm not going to talk about it yet. Send up the numbers, I'll get now the history first and learn some more. Send up the numbers, make me see the numbers go over 200, 180 with it. And this man Man get that carrier on me that man. I don't know what's that half hour that song I take for right. half hour.
You see me right this song?
Yes.
Alright, me tell you. You see Bogle thing start right in an asylum one night.
Alright.
I mean, it's a Beanie and Bogle are friend, you know. I mean, rate Bogle to the ground. I tell you that. That Bogle is a dance.
Like and share, people.
Now let's go down and watch how Bogle deal with
It's
the
not
thing.
all started.
Yeah.
So in an asylum one night, and, like, Bogle, Beanie go up there and say something. Like him, I said, John, I nobody dancer, and Bogle has been, see? And Bogle go up on the stage after he come off and I try to defend it. And the people them boo him off his stage, see?
Yes.
And then, it's like, I see Bogle stand up in a car and I cry, you know, brother. Then I pass by the bathroom, and I see man stand up in a car and I like, man, cry. And I feel so fucked up, you know, because I said, John, what that, what we need this for? So being there driving on my car, and then I drive one white Honda Civic. I mean, if you say Beanie is like my brother in my youth. When I talk about Beanie, I don't talk about hatred.
Yes.
But my Beanie is like my brother in my youth. That man I love from my heart. I
Yes.
love the whole career, you know.
Yes.
And you come there on him. We have the things that we're not even watching. Monica, we just want the team hot. At all
Yes.
time, we just want to say, well, the boss and the man have to lead the thing. See?
Yes.
And when we want to go and Bounty Killer, we don't lead it right up. Can remember say, when Bounty Killer said, pussy belly gringo, and me the man attacking. That man say, I'm me a right hand to be in if you war him in my youth. See?
Yes.
And being the man do it when you get yourself a gun, you know. When in this war, I hope you get yourself, I mean, I say, you can't understand, you know. How Bounty Killer is a part baby sham, you know. Have him all about in a Land Cruiser van, you know. Him and him advise a combination, you know. Now when come back, I call the man lady sham, you know. If the man a lady, well, you are a man, you know. And who are now, war Bounty Killer for the lyrics, you know. Bounty Killer.
200 people, send up the number, share again, share.
But guess
Yes.
what? You see, in our music, you have a time when you have to draw a line because you're over one side. So I don't like the hate Bounty. But you
Yeah.
must spit lyrics by me too. And when the man spit the lyrics and say, pussy belly green, what this me wrong with him? Say, Beanie by me drop top and I mind and I bling me as I was sitting and I chat up my sitting above me. And say, oh, one bag of thing. When Bounty attacking sitting there, I laugh because I know say, I don't lyrics, the man I chat in the car. I don't saw it go. I just music where I do. I don't like me hate him or nothing. But when I get to show it, say, no, it's the movie thing now.
Yeah.
Me tell Beanie Man the morning. If I reach up on yard.
But after asylum.
Yeah, we left asylum.
Yes.
We left and reach up on yard up on Wellington Spring, up on apartment, see?
Yes.
And when we reach up there, I sit down in the car and I read with the man in the brother. And the ACR in my car. Blue drop asleep in my back seat, you know. You see I blew them and I
Beat them man, brother.
I mean, you them that. I was hate them, you them, I youth. That man them part everywhere, bad man.
Yeah.
People this beanie them, this me, my youth.
Yeah.
With different beanie them I wrote like yo, go with these beanie them thing, dog. I never know money. And I like when I throw the DJ rap up. Ooh, I have to get some money. So through that, when we write our song more time with them business every register, because we just want to say we can't act. Because we pass that. I just him, I tell you, say, yo, every man we with them more time with them kid that. We just want the thing shot. Because from the thing shot, the whole always shot star. When I step over,
Yeah.
and I lead of that, see?
Yeah.
So it's like some never have no bad man against me that, against me king. Because I'm king in my own.
Yes, so most of the song they get ready style I hear me.
Dangerous thing I go on the road. Road have a shell. So when I slow down and reason with it, me that man reason with it about whole of thing. That
Yes.
thing like a brother. And it's when me there on him, me not a yes man. Because it's me there on a man and me see a man I go make all a wrong move. And this a man, if me rate them, I go tell you the truth, brother. And I'll tell you, brother, remember saying no, very, no. So you know, me I reason about that thing there. And I say, yo, John Boss, you know, say, right now all the dancing mix up there, I don't think you should have night because you need king I dance hall and I need them thing I big on that number. So when you come in the dark, I Google them and bust you and bury you. Me and the man I read that till the gas done in the car. The AC on and the gas done. And sun hot and me in the parking lot.
I thought the first time him and Bogle have a problem, the first time.
That was a Thursday.
Yeah.
That was a Thursday, right? And then, you see a Thursday when me left, I mean I go up. Me have a nigga when him God. I drive, and I have to tell him, yo, you know something I like about this, hello? The money I bring in, be a mix up with that, because I don't want to go up, no man I hear, say, boy, I mean, no. Like, told me feel a bad vibe that come up. And I said, me don't like how you looking up, because when me see Bogle crying and that broke my heart, you know. That means say Bogle general in a man.
Man say Bogle that cry when Beenie Man this.
And I found a Bogle mix up. General, I'm a friend, but we don't have to miss Bogle for you see me I say?
Yeah.
So it's like me feel that way, and I say, oh, me now go over there in that. I you know say, 1 week exactly after that, we wake up the morning. The next Thursday morning, we wake up. Thursday night, that time Friday morning, left, I'm go on the yard, see?
Yes.
And I say, I don't mix up, you know, I don't road or anything, no fuck we go on and
Copy and paste back on Facebook people right now, thank you.
I don't like me here, no man, I plan. Me never hear Beanie, I know man, I plan nothing, but them I go do nobody nothing, see?
Yes.
Because they know, say, yo, me not hear that, but me just not like the bad vibe they like, where I go and we are man, I go kick off in a town and
yes.
Like me there and me a pull certain thing, me not, you know, so after that, no. Do I hear me when we wake up the Thursday morning? The first thing over with me is that, yo, blood clot, you know, you sit down to there and them say, are you a boy do it? I say, who? And them say, I'm being. I say, no, you're mad. You don't like that, dad. See? So when me hear that moment, I say, John, yo, I've been telling I road everybody about me up with it. I say, yo, you're a friend of murder, man. I meet the man and I say, respect this, that, that.
Yes.
And I say, but after me there, so you know, I say, all time in the day and I pray and I say, but you know, dog, what is, and the same thing, when me I try to escape out that, like me I say, me don't like that vibes that, see? But we can't live good there. See?
Yes.
And when you look now, the man, you drop out the tune and the rule, because I say, that's Jesus Christ, the problem is the tune. Then I know, the Sunday night, I see him and John on the TV, I thought, man, yo, the man must have
that famous interview there.
Yeah, that time them put on John
House.
I'm see him talking, you know, brother. I'm a virgin from New York, call me, you know, when I'm done with him, Jody, I said, boy, who New York I beat your boy, body, you know, I said, murder the man. I mean, I say, yo, them things I'm in a dark, because John, I'm nothing being them that do that. You understand?
Yes.
And then he's like, you know, he might say, yo, we have to go find a son and save the man in the dark, run, or kill the people, or kill him. I mean, I say, if he's a son, can't save him. And the boss said to me, yo, you mean, man, are you man, anything you find, I can save the man. So if the man said that to me, it's like, man, I give me an energy. I mean, I said, Lord, I want them to help me here, guy.
Yes.
I just when I wake up the man in the dog and I find this song.
Yes.
Half hour, I take for right this song. And I call the phone. So I call the phone. A Tristan Palmer answered the phone.
Who answered the man?
Tristan Palmer, that is the singer's son.
Answering phone.
Answering phone. And I tell me, say, like, the boss can't chat to nobody.
Wow.
I say, you and the boss and the whole of you, and me, I'm going to live in my pocket.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah.
That was how long after Bogle death?
No, man, a couple of days, man, then him and Tristan them par, whole of with par, man.
Oh, okay.
Because Beanie Man, up high studio, Tristan them did it. Shatteras them, which is Beanie Man brother. And Shatteras and Tristan used to par, you know.
Yeah.
But I one where dead up as to when he get about 20 a chat, Beanie and Rasta.
Me know him personally,
Yeah,
like I
Yeah,
used to
me know
know
him,
him.
yeah. Them brother.
He used to work right.